Hello, my name is Kwang Bum Park, the CEO of Megagen Implant in Korea. Also, I'm a dentist. And I'm glad to participate in this special online CAPP educational program. The standard of aesthetically and functionally healthy implants has always been a major concern in implant dentistry. In this lecture, I will give some basic answers in this most fundamental story and how to effectively reduce chair time and the number of patient visits. This story will satisfy both dentists and the patients, and it will show the direction we need to go as a dentist. All along the way, I will share with you about the ideal design of fixture from evidences in the literature. So, I hope to see you there and don't miss this event. We'll see you soon.